My name is Sean Newman. I'm the owner of First Class Auto Works in Graham, North Carolina.
Hi guys, this is Jetmir from STEK, Kosovo.
Hi everyone, I'm Salman Iftikhar from STEK, Pakistan.
What's up guys? This is Chris from Top Coat Performance.
I'm Jack, I'm the owner here at Prestige Auto Salon in Seattle, Washington.
My name is Amir Kerry, co-owner of Signature Details Automotive Services Limited.
My name is Chris Geisbauer. I'm the owner of Dallas-Fort Worth Clearbrook in Dallas, Texas.
My name is Michael Montemiro. I'm the lead installer here at Atlantic Wraps.
We've been using DYNO PPF for about 6 years now.
Like about 2 years. We took a class out in Seattle, and since then, it's all we've used.
It's been around, you can say, 7 years that we've been using DYNO Shield.
Here at First Class Auto Works, we have been using STEK DYNO Shield paint protection film for about 3 years now.
I've been using DYNO for over 2 years now.
We've been using STEK for 8 years.
We've been using STEK's DYNO line of paint protection film since 2020. Puts us at about 5 years now using the film.
We've been using DYNO PPF from STEK for approximately 3 years now.
It's awesome. Everything about the film's been awesome. Customer service from STEK USA has been fantastic. I've had no issues with installation at all in the hundreds of cars I've done.
Because of its proven results, its reliability in extreme conditions, harsh weathers, results are exceptional, no doubt.
So we only use the highest quality materials, which is why we have chosen to use STEK DYNO Shield paint protection film.
Just the quality of the film, the depth it offers in the paint, the ease of installation, overall the product's amazing.
I continue using it because of the features that the DYNO series gives to me and to the installers that are using it.
Just on overall quality, I feel like it's the best film to offer to our clients for a variety of reasons. The overall finish of the film and the puncture resistance, we just feel it's the best product to offer to our customers. After using every major manufacturer of paint protection film, we just feel this is the best.
I've had experience with 2 different brands, and so far STEK has been the easiest to work with great visual clarity.
The film is flat as glass, has self-healing properties that really respond better and hang in there longer than other films, and it's more durable than other films as well. It's easy to install, has a gentle stretch to it, and then ultimately once it needs to be removed, it can be cleanly removed.
It's kind of hard to choose. I love the hydrophobic top layer as well as the clarity.
It's just the quality of the product. You know what you're getting every time, the ease of installation, how happy the customers are when they see it. It really is a bonus.
I would have to say clarity. It's like glass. I mean, it makes any car look better that it's on. It's phenomenal.
Its clarity, the fine finish of the film itself, there's no stretch marks. We cannot find even on the hardest and the most sharpest corners, like this example. It's a McLaren 650S. It has many difficult edges.
It's this new version of the DYNO series, the cap sheet, which is really soft, and you can cut in the plotter with this cap sheet in it. So you don't need to remove it and cut it. Maybe you can damage the PPF during the cutting or the process of the transportation. So this gives you a really good feature and benefits of all the installers that are using it.
The installability, it's a very forgiving adhesive. You don't have to fight adhesive lines or work lines or anything like that nearly as much as other films. If you have some debris and you need to lift the film, it's very easy to lift and get those elements out, which is huge as far as film waste, redoing panels, lost time, and money on that end.
One of the best features about the STEK DYNO Shield paint protection film is definitely the gloss and clarity.
Our installers, they love the product. They love the way it tucks around corners, edges. The adhesive in it's amazing. When you want something to stick, it does. And the removal process, you may leave a little bit of adhesive behind, but that comes off super easy. So
if you want to remove it, if you have any dust inside or something like that, during installation, it's really easy to remove it and you won't leave any marks or silver marks or anything in the PPF.
Removal has been fine. Anytime I've had to take the film off of a car, it's been super easy. Doesn't leave any adhesive, maybe like a tiny spot here or there, which comes right off. Comes off really, really nicely. Installation's great, obviously. No issues there. You know, it stretches really nicely. It reacts really nicely to slip and tack. Install has been really, really, really nice.
The installation of DYNO Shield is extremely easy. It's really flexible. The installer doesn't have to work very hard, especially on the sharp edges or in the corners of the car.
Installability, just being able to work the film how we want it, not fighting those adhesive lines, removability too, being able to remove the film if there is damage that a customer has damage and the film needs to be removed. We're not removing excessive adhesive or anything like that.
We've done removals on small panels, but as far as adhesive goes and coming off in one piece, I can't complain. It's pretty easy to remove and super pliable first install.
I have found that my experience with STEK DYNO Shield has been the best as far as installation and removal.
They all had one thing in common. They were very pleased with the gloss levels of the film.
They love the overall finish, how hydrophobic the ceramic top coat is and easy to maintain it is.
we get cars that are brand new, they bring them down and they say it looks better than new, so that's always a plus. They really can't believe how good it looks once the film's on there.
I've had no customers come back to us with any issues.
The feedback of customers has been fantastic. They're really happy about the film, the quality of the film, its characteristics, and we claim that no other film come close to DYNO Shield.
We have had nothing but positive feedback from all of our customers.
Now, because of the appearance of this flat as glass appearance, it means there's no orange peel that creates a haziness in the film. Customers coming back even 7-8 years after we've installed STEK on their cars report that the film looked exactly the way that it did the day that we put it on.
We haven't received any complaints regarding orange peel or yellowing. This McLaren 650S is one of the examples. That's it's here. We can show you the customer is really happy with the results even after 4 years, even I think more than 4 years now, and the shine is exceptional, as you can see.
I have not noticed any yellowing or orange peel. It's the best I've seen out of any of the other brands I've used. I've used Expel, I've used Ceramic Pros, Cavacha. I mean, it's night and day. It is awesome.
We have not noticed any significant yellowing, discoloring over time, or any texture coming back. It's one of the best clarities, if not the best clarity film on the market.
I didn't have any major issues until now.
I definitely recommend STEK DYNO Shield to a lot of other installers. I've got quite a few people on board installing their film, basically for the gloss and clarity of their film.
Yes, we would highly recommend DYNO Shield to every installer regarding its benefits.
If you haven't used it yet, definitely try it and you probably won't go back ever.
I would absolutely recommend DYNO to other installers. Their customers are going to love it. The people getting the film on it, they're going to be super happy with the finished product. The installers we have here, they absolutely love putting it on. The new cap sheet on it's amazing. When you cut the film out, you know exactly where the different pieces are.
I regularly recommend STEK and their products to anybody that asks. We don't do it too often around people around us because we don't need that competition.
I would absolutely recommend DYNO Series Paint Protection Film to other installers. Just the overall quality of the film, the customer support, the clarity, ease of workability, There's just so many.
There's not much more to say. It's awesome. I don't think I'm going anywhere anytime soon as far as STEK goes.
Our overall experience using STEK DYNO Shield over the years has been nothing but positive, and we have received nothing but positive experience from our clients.
So our overall experience with DYNO Series paint protection film and STEK as a whole has been phenomenal. Just the quality of film and the constant innovation for the industry, and really focusing on installers and putting out quality products first and foremost has just been a great change of pace from other manufacturers we've dealt with.
Our overall experience with DYNO Shield has been phenomenal. It's a perfect finish. If you want a perfect finish, just choose DYNO Shield.
The company reps, they're responsive to our needs, and they're always ready to help, providing solutions and answers to the questions and the problems that we may run into as installers.
I didn't have any major issues until now, and this is why I continue using STEK DYNO series. I also been using the DYNO Top, which is the windshield PPF. It's really amazing. Until now, it's the best one in the market. So
our experience with the DYNO films and STEK USA has been nothing but amazing. Any questions we have, we reach out. Their customer service is top notch. Every film box we get, we know what we're getting. We know what it's going to be like when we put it on. I really have no complaints whatsoever with the product or the company. They're both amazing.
And we can see quite a few projects that we have completed over the past few years. We're going to start off with this beautiful Mercedes SLS AMG, as you can see with the gold wing doors. It has received full front STEK DYNO Shield, and DYNO Shield applied to all the lower rockers, and the rest of it has been paint corrected and ceramic coated. Next on the list, we have this gorgeous Isle of Man green BMW M3, which has also been treated to a full front STEK DYNO Shield PPF, along with the lower rockers, and the rest of it's paint corrected and ceramic coated. Also, this blue 997 Porsche Turbo S. It has also received full front STEK DYNO Shield PPF, along with lower rockers, rear hips, rest of it paint corrected and ceramic coated. And we also finished it off with all STEK Smart Ceramic tint. Last but certainly not least of the last vehicle that's in here, this is a brand new 911 GT3 RS. This was a full body STEK DYNO Shield job. We did all the graphics removal, all the film was placed, and then the graphics back over the film to give it a complete 100% seamless install.